Is localized application resources crashing because of the commonres library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before starting the detailed commonres library fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the commonres library, a generic common resources container. It houses unmanaged string tables, icons, and UI templates shared across modular software components. It facilitates the visual orchestration of the localized software manifest. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Missing commonres library DLL data often points to a failed patch within the localized application resources integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program, where you saw the error, will automatically replace the corrupted library. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the commonres library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for commonres library DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining commonres library. If you've regained access to commonres library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.